Let's start with Bojangles. Fourth quarter profits coming in higher than expected, revenue higher than expected, and the stock up more than 17% on Friday. I know you like the chicken, Jason. How you liking the stock?
I just like saying the jangler. It takes me back to my childhood. So I think the important thing here, investors want to focus on the fact that Bojangles management is meeting the targets and expectations that they set. And so let's not worry about really what Wall Street, the expectations maybe Wall Street is setting for this business. Really, we want to focus on whether they're meeting their own benchmarks, and they certainly are. And I think that you look at the growth, it's coming from new stores. In the short run, that's okay. In the long run, we really want to see their ability to grow beyond just opening new stores. And I think that remains the biggest question. If we look at their market opportunity, they see their market opportunity is around 1,400 stores in the states where they have a presence today, and around 3,500 stores total around the United States versus about 660 or so that they have today. And that always has been really the big question is, does that market opportunity really extend that far? I'm still not sold on that. I do love the chicken. I love the iced tea. And honestly, I think with the stock today, it's trading around 20 times full year 2016 estimates, which is pretty reasonable. If they are able to get close to that market opportunity that they see, then I think that today's stock level is actually a pretty attractive opportunity.
Are there any remotely near where we are right now?
And I think that's the biggest problem. I don't think there really are.
I got to taste
There are
this.
some in this area, but not really close by. It is very much a southeastern concept. I know that they went through and shut a bunch down in Florida recently, and so that's the biggest question. Does this reach across the country?
Better than Chick-fil-A? Where do you put it? Nothing's better than Chick-fil-A. That's the answer.
I'm gonna defer my answer until a later time.
Jason, did you say they shut a bunch of stores down
They
in
did.
Florida?
They shut down a bunch of stores down in Florida, which I thought was a bit odd, given Florida is a southeastern state.
What they just weren't performing?
Just underperformers.
Mm-hmm.